Are you interested in sending messages that disappear to your pals on Instagram? If so, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of enabling or disabling the Vanish mode on Instagram. Vanish mode allows you to send text messages, photos, and videos to the person you're chatting with, and once you exit Vanish mode, these messages will disappear. However, if you want to keep them, remember to take a screenshot before leaving the conversation. This feature is particularly handy for those who prefer temporary conversations that vanish after they to begin. Ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed from either the App Store or Google Play Store. If not, simply click on the Update button to get the latest version. This ensures you have access to all the newest features and functionalities. So next, open the Instagram app and navigate to the chat where you want to use disappearing messages. Once you're in the desired chat, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to enable Vanish mode. You'll know it's enabled when you see the Vanish mode indicator on the screen. To disable Vanish mode, simply swipe up again. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.